Okay, so I've just raised the lifting eye off by whatever the distance of these rods are. I really want to make sure that I get full penetration on this joint. You can see where my bead has come through from the other side, so I'm just going to go straight onto top of that. Same on, flip it over and do this bit. You can see the same on that side, so getting through it. Now I've got a little bit of distortion from that weld, and it really is only a tickle, but it's enough. I just need to put it right. So you can see that one's now flush and this one not, so I've got to do the same here now. Right, I'm just going to heat this up now and do the root run. So that's my first pass done, but I can't do my other one, my next runs, because I've forgotten to I haven't put enough rods in the oven. I'm just going in now with my second run. I'm just going around on this other side now. So that bit there, right on that start where I started, the arc didn't start properly and I was fumbling around, and I've got a little bit of porosity by the looks of things and definite lack of fusion, so that is going to have to come off and just do that little corner again. So I'm just carrying on now with this. I've done the 3 passes for that, and I was just seeing if I could get into here without having to tip it over and do like a 2G, and it's actually worked out all right. So it actually went in there really quite well. So I'm going to get another one from the other side. So got a really rubbish start there on that, so that's got to come out. Do that bit again. Oh. Right, last pass, and I've undercut it. I knew it was too hot. I felt it, but I carried on. And I also think I had the wrong angle of dangle a little bit, so I'm going to grind that, not completely off. I'm just going to grind it down and go over that last pass again. Okay, so I'm finally finished, and the back one is in a sort of a state of needing a couple more runs yet, but we're getting there. Jodie B is now charged up, and I've got a list of stuff that I need to do and make a start on fixing that weight.